We are in Lino Lakes today for Arttober, the market by Blue Turtle Wellness, I think it is. I'll double check after I start setting up. Today I'm wearing my dino earrings, I'm wearing T-Rexes. I'm gonna go check in with a volunteer or the organizer and see if we can get help unloading. The parking was a little interesting because in the lot for the park, there's no accessible parking, which kind of sucks. So I think I'm gonna go check again. I love your tattoo, by the way. Okay, we're at Arttober in 9 Lakes. This is my first time doing a show out in 9 Lakes. So we're gonna see how it goes. We are about 40 minutes in, and a couple people have stopped by my table, but nobody's bought anything. It is a 6-hour day, and it is supposed to get 90 degrees today. So, while we're waiting on customers, we're gonna edit this video that is going to go up, maybe a vlog or two before this vlog. The vlog I'm editing right now is where I've been making the magnets that she put out today. So today is the first time the magnets are out on my table. They are not on the website yet as of this vlog. They will be. I've just got to finish making the other sets. I think I have a 4 left to do, and then 3 sets total to finish up. So I'm going to edit on my iPad while we wait for customers. Hello. Good, how are you? Feel free to pick up things, touch things. You can sign up for my email list if you want. And all the magnets are $3 each or 4 for $10. Thank you. I did do a trade though today. So a friend of mine also makes jewelry, and she's a librarian. She's the one that you saw her table. I filmed her table real quick that she makes fun. I traded for these earrings for a pair of those not teardrops, but they're leaves and they're drop earrings I wear sometimes. But I traded for butterflies, so I'm pretty happy. The rough footage I have for the vlog I'm editing right now, which is going to be a story time. When I do story times, I just kind of bulk film a good chunk of me doing art in some way, whether it's Warhammer art or resin art or something, even though a resin pour only takes about 10-20 minutes, 15 minutes max really. So this part that I was doing with the magnets, where I can paint all the engraved parts, like on all the embedded parts, I paint it all. So I have like an hour and 40 minutes of footage just from that from last night, because I did these Friday night. Because you're the second person that said that today, and I was like,
what's wrong with us?
I was like, why is it today? I was like, nobody said that before.
It's like a Rorschach test.
It really is. But if you want to see how they work, I can show you.
Is it, do you just, yeah, I want to see.
Yeah, so, you know when you're reading and your wrist hurts?
Yeah.
And now you can read in bed.
Smart.
You can use that weird, you don't have to do that weird hand thing. I don't know how parents do it. I haven't figured it out yet. If you want to try it, you're more than welcome. Yeah, and then all of the earrings are on nickel-free metal, because it turns out I have a nickel allergy. So
As do I.
yeah, so it's been kind of fun being like, or is this metal really nickel-free?
Yeah.
So I get to test it before y'all do. And then all the keychains are $10 each. Thank you. Hello. Okay, we're an hour in. 0 sales. Maybe like 5-10 people walk by. They're like, it's cool. But people are reading my sign wrong, and they're reading this, which has book weight, as boob weight. So that's weird today. Another vendor wants to do a trade for a book weight, and I'll do the trade. It's not a bid. I just gotta see what I want. You can pick up whatever and look at whatever you want.
Like acrylic or?
A lot of it's resin.
Oh, resin.
Yep.
That's what
Resin.
it is. I was like, how are you?
Good, how are you?
It's resin. I was like, is it acrylic or not?
Yes, it's all hand poured by me.
Yeah. That's really neat.
And all of the earrings are lightweight. And they're all on nickel-free metal as well. Yeah.
Very pretty. Like, oh, she's got a
Yeah. And the price is on the front of all the cards.
nice print.
And those are real daisies pressed inside there as well.
That's cool.
Yeah. finishes are $10. Yeah. And you take cash card or Venmo.
Okay. Let me think about it.
All right.
What are these? Bobby?
These are buckwheat.
Oh.
And you know when you're reading and you start to get pain in your wrist, so you hold it like this. You no longer get the pain. At least it's quick. And now you can read in bed. You can kind of read to kids.
That are smart.
And if you want to try it, you can.
No, I.
All right.
Gosh, that's cool. That's a great idea. Love it. Okay, I'll be back.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, and then I send like 1 or 2 emails a month out.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I don't remember what it said, but they're on nickel-free metal. I also have mystery earrings over here for $10 each, or 2 for $15. Right here. Yeah.
That's a neat idea.
And if you're looking for a different color, you're like, I like this size, but like slightly different color. You can just look right behind, and they all have the price on the front. All the dinos are just $15 a pair. Yeah. I always believe somebody needs dino earrings. Like, I'm like, everybody needs a little dino in their life.
Yeah. Oh, I'll go with it. I'm gonna grab a card.
All right. If you want to sign up for my email list, it's right over there as well.
Okay, thank you.
I just did another trade. I did it with this artist, Dean Robert Holmes. They're an author artist. We traded one of my book weights like that, and I got this art print and this bookmark. I love it. Thank you. You know that pain you get in this area? It's not going to happen as quick. I can't guarantee it will never happen. Read to kids, if you do read to kids.
I do.
Yeah, I don't know how y'all do that hand thing, but you never have to do it again. And now you can read in bed and it won't fall on your face.
Well, the other thing, I have cubital tunnel syndrome.
Yep.
And so I have a hard time holding a book in my hand
Yeah.
to go to
If
sleep.
you want to try it, they are all in here, and I have a bunch of different sizes, styles, colors. Pushing a wheelchair full time since about 3rd grade. My hands have been through it. The libraries a lot, and you know how they always have the carts of the free books that are gonna probably go in the trash.
Absolutely.
So I saved it. Didn't realize it was the 4th in a series. I was like, whatever. But you
Oh,
don't
I've
have,
done that before.
yep, but you don't have to read it in order.
Yeah.
But that one's a retelling of Cinderella. But it's in a way I've never seen it done before, which I really liked with it, which is why I kept it up.
With your thumb.
Yep, kind of like a choir book, if that helps.
No, that doesn't help.
Helps some people, not everybody. That's why I also show. How's it feel? A little bit easier?
A little easier, but not this one.
Okay. I know people like the bats. That one's a fan favorite of people that have more
That's
hands.
better. Yeah, the bit wider one.
Yep, a lot of people like the wider ones, especially those of us that have a lot more hand pain.
Oh, I bet it goes this way, not the way I have
It can go either way, depending on paperback, hardback. It reads on like a single issue comic book. It's whatever you can comfortably hold one-handed. And even sometimes I hold my books two-handed still, and I will still use the book weight, so I'm not putting that stress on my other hand.
Okay, we're doing it.
Cool, and I take cash, card, or Venmo.
Don't put it in the bag. Don't
Yeah.
set it there.
It's $10.
Can you break a 20?
Yes. Gotta get down in my purse. Do you mind 5s? Okay, and we're gonna go 5. Here is your change.
Thank you.
Thank you. They're $3 each, or 2 for $5, 4 for $10, kind of math from there. All of the pins are $12 each, or 2 for $20. And then all of my earrings are on nickel-free metal, because it turns out I have a nickel allergy. So I learned it the hard way. They are all lightweight, because I cannot handle a heavy earring, and I like to wear my own earrings. It's,
Make my ears hurt.
Exactly. Like even those really big ones with the daisies at the top corner, those I think are the heaviest pair. I forget I'm wearing them most of the time because clay's very light and resin's very light. And if you're like, I like this style, but I want a different color, most of them have different colors behind them. Yeah. I like the dinos. The resin dinos are 20. The clay ones further down are 15 a pair. So, kind of depending on what we want. I'm a firm believer everybody needs a dino earring, to be honest. See? You get it. I'm also wearing my dinos. Thank you. And the clothing, the resin, is it gives like a stained glass effect. I take cash card or Venmo. And my Venmo's somewhere that way. All right.
Yes, I do.
Awesome. And feel free to take a business card for each right over there. And if you want to sign up for my email list, it's kind of on your right.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hello. Feel free to come up, pick up things, touch things. And they're $3 each or 2 for $5 or 4 for $10. Kind of do your math from there.
I can do that.
Yeah, I promise you if you hand me an odd number, I'll be like, if you get one more, it'll be X. Because the math's going to be quicker in my brain.
I love
Because
it.
for some reason doing the math before that and then adding 3 is just hard.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm with you.
And then all my keychains are $10 each. Most of them are made out of resin. Yeah. And I take cash card or a Venmo. Which one are we getting? The purple Sagittarius? Okay.
Sagittarius.
Hello. How are you?
Good.
Feel free to come up and look at things, touch things. So all of my keychains are $10 each. Most of them are made out of resin. All of my earrings are nickel-free metal. All the earrings are also lightweight. I think the heaviest style are actually the kind you're looking at right now, and as you can tell, they're fairly lightweight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are pretty. Those are super cute.
All of the resin ones, when you wear them, it'll give it kind of a stained glass effect, like when the sun hits them. All of the clay ones are just gonna look really great in the sun because light bounces off.
You can wear them with anything.
That's a good answer.
You can wear it with your current outfit.
That is true.
You don't have to have
That
a
is
special
true.
outfit for it. Yeah.
All the pins are $12 each or 2 for $20.
Is this the tray?
They're all in here. And yes, those say book weights. Everybody today has been thinking it says boob weights, and I'm very confused with it. This is how you hold it. No, you don't have to do that weird hand thing when you're reading to your kid that for some reason hurts your hand. You won't drop it on your face in bed, and the pain in here won't happen as quick. If you want to try it, you're more than welcome. You can set things on the table. As long as it's like somewhere where we can all see it, we'll all remember it. Okay, here we go. Most people like the bat style, the heart style, or kind of the straighter ones. That they all work for everything from a single issue comic book to whatever you can comfortably hold one-handed.
What are they made of?
They're made out of resin, so it's a 2-part epoxy that I mixed in my little apartment with as much ventilation as I can get within that apartment.
Right.
I like the bats a lot. And I take cash card or Venmo. My Venmo is that sign right over there. I love it when people do Venmo. It's like, with the card, I have to charge you because they charge. And then my earrings are on nickel-free metal because it turns out I have a nickel allergy. So, the
I
more,
do the same thing when I'm like, since I got a nickel allergy, I'm like, all of them are now nickel free.
but it's like weird. Like, it wasn't until I got my doubles done that all of a sudden, like, some piercings started acting up.
Interesting.
So, it's not every single piercing hole that's allergic. Which I
Yeah,
don't
I
get.
kind of have that too.
Exactly.
Like my, yeah, all of them. Like my nose is fine. Like my lips though, and like my ears are upset
Yep.
with nickel.
Mhm.
I don't know.
And they are all lightweight. 'Cause I could never wear a heavy earring because my ears are a little dainty and can't handle it. And I got really tired of like the bigger the earring, like they were always really heavy and I couldn't wear them. So I made lightweight earrings.
Hell yeah.
And then all the stickers are in a waterproof vinyl. They don't rip. They don't leave a residue. They hold up to the car wash. And they're $3 each or 2 for $5.
Disability buddies. Love.
I have a friend, they just got their first mobility aid, and they were trying to cope with it, and they're like, I'm gonna call all my friends with mobility aids, disability buddies. And I was like,
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna steal that from you. So the flag behind it is the disability pride flag.
Oh, amazing.
And then all the pins are $12 each or 2 for $20. And I know I only have the one trans, the one rainbow, and the one lesbian. I know those are, like, I only have one of each of those. I'm out of the buy.
Do you need this
It's not my
one?
fault. I think it's funny. And there's different skin tones in there as well.
I love that. Existential queer. These are good.
Can you tell I think I'm funny?
It's true.
There's kind of like the 5 main pronouns. I don't have any neo pronouns in there because
Oh, that's good.
already he, they doesn't sell enough. And I'm like,
Oh.
like he, they sells more than she, they though. And I don't get that one.
I don't understand. I'm a good old classic they them.
Exactly.
We're making the loop, but I'll be back
All right.
to this one. Femmes can be thems.
Yep.
Oh, I actually might be that one too.
I think it is. All the stickers are on a waterproof vinyl, so they don't rip, they don't leave a residue, and they hold up to the car wash. They're $3 each or 2 for $5.
Everybody thinks that changing is cool, but I don't, I won't, and I see
Thank you.
I got it. Everybody's got a dog and a wife, and I dance for the life of me, think why they want. I think there's something in the water. I think there's something in the water.
Everybody goes and moves and they I say there's no way I'm me to join them. Down
Let me pick out one more.
home mirror in the sky, what is love?
Do you want one of the thick chips?
Yeah, the child within my heart, rise above.
A lot of options now. Look at all of them.
Still do the changing ocean tides, yet I handle the seasons of my life.
Okay, and which 4 did we get?
The thick chick.
Okay,
The gender is like a coffee order.
okay,
They them,
okay,
and the in this house we believe.
okay. And that is $10. Are we doing cash card or
I
Venmo?
will do Venmo.
Cool.
'Cause I live my life.
What was the last one? Is they, them, and then what?
Do them, and then the in this house
That's,
we
yeah.
believe.
It was like my brain just blank hard. And then my QR code was right over there. Yeah, the in this house one, I was like, oh, we're missing people.
Oh.
I was like, we're missing disabled and trans people on the sign. And I was like, let me just fix that. The only things I don't make within my apartment are the pins, because I don't know how to do enamel work. But everything else gets made mostly within one bedroom. Yeah.
That is impressive.
Yeah, I made the most out of a very small room. They are $3 each or 2 for $5. And if we're paying with a card, it's a $5 minimum, but otherwise. And it's a cash card or Venmo, and then card has a small fee. Yeah. But yeah, 2 for $5, 4 for $10, kind of math it from there. Yeah. That items can be done? Okay. Are we doing cash card or Venmo?
Probably card. I need to check my balance.
It's okay. Like a choir book. There you go.
So that you can like one hand.
Mm-hmm. If you like it, they're $10 each.
Very cool. Thank you for letting
Yeah.
me test it.
And it's a cash card or Venmo.
Awesome.
And then all the stickers are on a waterproof vinyl, so they don't rip, they don't leave a residue, and they hold up to the car wash. Yeah, so they're
So they can
$3.
go on your car.
Yeah.
Wow.
They're $3 each. 2 for $5, 4 for $10. Kind of do your math from there.
Thinking for Justine, Christmas gift, a book holder and then a matching bookmark.
A lot of people like to do that.
Yeah.
And then the bookmarks are $5 each, so just 15 together.
Okay. I suppose,
You know, like a paperback, if you have it just on the table.
Yeah.
Shout out. Big
Yeah, they can work that way too. I would like lay them flat because if they're on the side, they have less, you know, to hold it.
Yeah.
I would highly recommend it. For many good reviews, I will be definitely going after it finishes. Hope you guys are enjoying your time.
So the wind knocked this over. For how strong the winds are, and this be the only thing that knocked over, was really great right now. So now I've got to put all the pins back on. Hey, Cammy, I need your help. I think this is where I call it. The earring rack went down in the front. I am, yeah, great. Great. I'm in just a minute gonna start handing you buckets to help put stuff in. If you're okay with that. If- Yeah, and just lay it on his back. I'll handle it in a minute. Can you put your hand on this one while I get a box? Do you want to tell their tent guy? I was like, nope, I'm done. Their tent is close to hitting me of all people. Because that almost took out both our tents.
Yeah, it did.
Okay, this is where all the keychains and the hooks for the keychains go.
Okay.
I'll pick that up in a minute. And then for now, all the magnets will go in here. And those little dishes, there's a bucket right in here that has summer stuff. Just chuck it in. I got this.
Earrings go on the side?
Yeah. I might just haphazardly pack up the earrings and have my partner bring that up tonight and just let me fix it at home. I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's not gonna be a pretty pack up this time. So these were the casualties from the wind today. I lost this charm. I don't know where it went. This pin has a bent back to it. These, Nessie, that one broke its neck off. And the fallopian tube broke on that one.